Despite all precautions, preventative measures and regulations, oil spills do happen. Founded in 1978 in Piraeus, Greece, Fairdeal Group was one of the very first shipping companies to specifically dedicate itself to environmental protection. Fairdeal pioneered floating slop reception facilities as per MARPOL 73/78, firstly in Greece and since 1985 in the United Arab Emirates. Fairdeal is a pioneer in conversion of tanker vessels into fully classified and operate floating reception facilities for the treatment of oily wastewater produced by normal shipping operations, complying with MARPOL 73/78 Convention Annex 1. The oily water collected goes through a patented process and clean water is returned to the seas. The proposed onshore oily sludge reception and processing facility further reiterates Fairdeal's commitment towards the environment. The Oil Spill Response Centre was also established in 1985 and today packs more than 3 decades of experience and have successfully tackled a few major oil spills and many minor and mid-size oil spills in the GCC waters. Being the largest independent private oil spill response services provider in the UAE, we are proud to be recognised and utilised by the shipping industry, port authorities, power and water desalination plants and oil terminal operators in UAE. Our services include oil spills cleanup on and offshore, conduct oil spill response training as per IMO Level 1, 2 and 3. Consultancy services for setting up oil spill response centres. Recommendation and supply of equipment. Share experience in claims handling based on objective evidence. Oil spill response management. Facilities contingency planning. Customised hands-on oil spill response exercises. Customised projects, including conversions of tugs to oil spill response vessels. Fairdeal is also the only contractor dedicated to handle recovered oil from spill incidents as well. Our oil spill response team consists of experienced men and machinery purpose-designed for deployment at a moment's notice. Our Oil Spill Response Centre, or OSRC for short, is manned round the clock. Fairdeal owns and operates landing craft, utility boats, suitably equipped and dedicated oil spill response vessels, storage vessels and classified floating reception facility, as well as specially fitted vessels and other vehicles meant to tackle oil spills, both offshore and onshore. Some of the incidents OSRC responded to recently included spills of edible oils, lubricants, fuel, diesel and crude oil. Allied services include shipside hull cleaning, wharf and shoreline cleaning after spill incidents. We also provide pollution protection by deployment of oil booms around crude oil bulk transfer hoses and other safety standby measures. Fairdeal also conducts hands-on oil spill response exercises and training for its members' personnel. Supplementing pollution control efforts, Fairdeal also provides conversion of existing vessels for combating oil spills and coordinate response activities. Fairdeal's Oil Spill Response Club offers its members round-the-clock emergency response mobilisation should an incident occur. Membership benefits include 24/7 availability of involved resources, inclusive of skilled and experienced team with excellent communication skills. Priority response, up to 50% lesser than normal applicable rates. companies who have availed membership reads like a who's who of the oil industry. Clients who have availed various services and equipment from us is also the who's who of the region. The list is long and hence allow us to go through it fast. Fair Deal Marine Services recently initiated the creation of the UAE Marine Environment Protection Association, UAE MIPA, the 8th member of Inter-MIPA, under the auspices of Hellenic Marine Environment Protection Association, HEL-MIPA, that was founded in Greece almost 4 decades ago. The association's agenda includes dedicated seminars for seafarers in pollution protection and safety at sea, as well as organising clean-up campaigns with schools to raise environmental awareness. This is a non-profit, non-governmental organisation of volunteers committed to health, safety and protection of the marine environment. We are proud to be recognised by some of the leading names in the industry, including Trackes, the environment wing of DP World, for hazmat, which qualifies Fair Deal for oil spill response in Dubai, as well as handling, waste packaging, transportation for proper disposal of hazardous materials, and eventually to respond to various chemical spills. Plans include more accredited training in the field of oil spill response services, firefighting and health and safety to international standards. Expand our environmental services to cover other countries in the region and worldwide jointly with other recognised environmental corporations. Expand marine waste reception facilities in other locations depending on the demands to comply with MARPOL 73/78 convention on those locations. Fair Deal Marine Services is also working closely with international organisations to set soil remediation as part of independent project or associated with oil spills. Fair Deal Marine Services, your environmental partner since 1978.